Waste disposal is indispensable in building a sustainable future. Efforts are now underway to tackle this issue by employing a revolutionary waste combustion technology. Nagayo, Nagasaki Prefecture, a town surrounded by the sea and mountains and abounding in nature. A family appears to be enjoying a foot bath at a facility in the town. Looking beyond the foot bath, there's a chimney. This is actually a waste management facility built by the town called Clean Park Nagayo. The foot bath uses the heat generated by this facility. It was completed in March 2015. Up to 54 tons of waste produced daily in Nagayo and the neighboring town of Togitsu are incinerated and processed here. In Japan, it's rare for a small place such as a town to have its own incineration facility. So why did the town decide to build one? We visited the local government office.
一番の決め手はやっぱ効率化じゃないかと思うんですよ。
There are movements across the country to manage the waste generated in multiple municipalities. In the past, Nagayo Town also transported its waste outside the prefecture to be disposed. But it says it realized the costs actually increased because of the expansion of waste collection zones. So they traveled to various regions in search of incineration facilities that could burn any type of waste and wasn't costly. Then,
やはり、非常に効率的であるということと、それからランニングコストまで入れますと、非常にその経済的にも安定していると。
Built as a result of that is their current incineration facility. Despite its small size, it can burn everything from raw garbage to leather and rubber, which they had to transport outside the prefecture until now. Once incinerated, the waste is turned into fine ash. This is recycled as material for concrete. And a big advantage is that almost no harmful exhaust gases are emitted. The emission standard limit the plant set up independently. The emission of dioxins, for example, is about 1/50th of the national environmental standard. When measured, the result was actually better, at less than 1/10 of even that level. We headed to Osaka, the headquarters of the company that developed the combustor.
ここは大阪のビジネスの中心地なんですが、どんな廃棄物でも燃やし尽くす焼却炉を開発した企業があるそうです。早速行ってみましょう。ではなぜ燃やし尽くすことができるのか。なかなか難しそうですが、この会社で開発設計を担当している岩村さんに聞くことにしました。
こちらが当社が開発しましたバーチカル炉の形形状を表しておりますが、はい、露呈のところのこの部分ですね、はい、この部分に厚くゴミを積み上げるというのが、特徴でございます。
With a conventional incinerator, waste is spread out thinly and exposed to air and moved around to burn it. But because a difference arises between waste that's combustible and waste that doesn't easily burn, the combustion becomes unsteady, requiring fine-tuning depending on the type of waste. In contrast, with the vertical combustor developed by this company, waste is thickly stacked vertically, with very little air blown in. By doing so, even if waste with lots of moisture is mixed in, it's first fully dehydrated and eventually becomes charcoal-like material. Since it starts burning after becoming similar to charcoal, any type of waste will be completely incinerated. What's more, As the waste is completely incinerated at high temperature, flue gas containing dioxins is also broken down and detoxified. This technology to completely burn anything was developed by the company president, Seizo Katsui. He has been single-mindedly focusing on developing combustors from 50 years ago. The vertical combustor was developed from ideas cultivated from his experience and commercialized 25 years ago. It's an unprecedented combustor, and the technology has been widely recognized, winning numerous awards. From industrial to household waste, anything can be burned using the same combustor. Currently, 26 facilities are in operation in Japan and around the world. In Minami Sanriku Town, which suffered damage during the Great East Japan earthquake, it has been used to completely burn various types of disaster-related waste, and its capabilities have drawn strong interest. On October 4th, 2017, Mr. Katsui's company celebrated the 50th anniversary of its establishment. What he's aiming for now is how to further develop the technology.
廃棄物を処理するというその処理のための廃棄物というより一歩進んでこの処理をすることによって付加価値を出して発電するとかそういうことに心がけていきたい。
To further develop this combustion technology, scientifically verifying that capability is crucial. This is the Suita campus of Osaka University in the suburbs of Osaka. This combustor manufacturer has built an experimental combustor jointly with the university and is carrying out industrial academic research. Working with them is a research group headed by Professor Fumiteru Akamatsu of the Combustion Engineering Laboratory.
こちらが実験炉なんですね。
はい、これが縦型ストーカー式焼却炉というもののダウンスケールモデルになっています。従来のものに比べまして同じ処理能力のものを比較しますと、コンパクトにできるという特徴があります。そして排ガスの温度も高めることができてエネルギーの回収の効率を高くすることができるポテンシャルを秘めていると考えています。
このようなシステムを使いますと従来の電力会社が運営するような巨大な発電所のみでばかりでなくて、分散型の電源また災害時のですね非常用の発電装置などとして利用できることが考えられます。
Tokyo Bay, along the coast. There's a waste management facility here that's generating energy from a surprising type of waste. It's the Super Eco Plant, a facility the Tokyo government set up together with companies in 2006 in a bid to create a new environment-related industry. So what kind of surprising waste is generating energy?
こちらが中央操作室になります。
こちらでは何をエネルギーに変えているんですか？
特にこの右側の炉では、医療廃棄物を処理しています。
医療廃棄物ですか。
Medical waste includes items such as used syringes and wet diapers that are not easily combusted. Various such waste needs to be burned together. What's more, in fact, medical waste can be contaminated with bacteria and other pathogens, and there's a danger of potential infection, so they can't be directly handled or separated. They're managed while still packaged and sent to the incinerator. What's used is a vertical combustor. It applies a combustion technology that burns anything, and the heat generated can be extracted without loss. Utilizing this stable heat and combining it with heat from other industrial waste, they can generate 23 megawatts of electricity, which is enough to supply 7,700 households and comparable to a small thermal power station. This technology to stably recycle energy from medical-related waste has been widely recognized, and last year, it won the Japan Institute of Energy Award. Countries in Southeast Asia are keenly interested in such environmental technologies from Japan. With breakneck economic growth, dealing with the growing piles of waste is emerging as a critical issue. One of them is Singapore, an economic hub of the region. Singapore has made an island off its coast a waste landfill site, but it will reach full capacity in less than 20 years. We spoke with the head of an NGO that coordinates between various environment-related bodies.
At this point in time, we are also promoting recycling. So we are recycling at site. This is what we are trying to promote, irregardless of whether it's a solid waste or it's a liquid waste or even if it is a food waste.
Amid this, the company making the vertical combustor that burns anything has also started turning its eyes to the rest of Asia. This is PLANTEC Argonaut in Singapore. It is the company's first location in entering Southeast Asia and promoting its combustor. The local staff members see big possibilities for the company's technology in Asia.
これはその持っている特性から言って明らかに日本の国内以上に海外特にアジアの国々ですとかそういうところに全く向いていると。
Directing the overseas business in Japan is Motoaki Katsui, who is the successor to the developer Seizo Katsui.
世界的に言うと廃棄物は増加傾向にあると。特に東南アジアはですねその増加の勢いが激しいということがありますのでバーチカル炉の特徴をですね最大限に生かしていけると。
So why is this company confident about its foray into Asia? The reason is said to be the local waste situation. We visited one of many public housing complexes in Singapore. This is the home of a couple who plans to get married soon. What do they do with their trash?
Thanks for having us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
He starts putting in banana peels and clothes together. And even milk cartons and paper. He opens a sliding door in the kitchen, and there's a dust chute for the trash. All of it is thrown in. Even plastic wrapping that's separated in Japan. So is trash not separated here?
Almost everything that can fit into the rubbish chute will go in there.
They throw the soup together with the meat and vegetables to dispose it into the waste chute as well.
In fact, Singapore didn't have a practice of separating trash, and throwing everything away together is the common norm. In fact, Singapore isn't the only place. In many Asian countries, trash separation systems and practices are not widespread. So this combustor manufacturer believes there's an opportunity to promote combustors that can completely burn various types of waste, even when mixed together.
日本の40年ぐらいのその廃棄物の内容じゃないかなと経験を生かしたプラントが できてるんじゃないかなと。
What does the future hold for the world of waste management?
これまでその廃棄物処理の世界っていうものは人体になぞらえて、静脈産業というふうな形で言われておったんですけれども、そういった廃棄物処理施設で出てきた資源やエネルギーをその生産現場で使うというようなことで、 静脈産業から動脈産業に向かうと。
Waste management is critical for sustainable growth. So how should it be carried out? What's needed to open the way to utilizing waste as energy? And how can Japanese technologies contribute to the world? The challenge of applying this combustion technology has just started.